My name is Gurpreet and I'm working as a management trainee. I did my first Art of Living course in the year 2008. After doing the Sudarshan Kriya and practicing daily, I have found a new enthusiasm in life. New kind of confidence have come into me. Previously, I was very scared to go on stage or to talk to strangers or to give any kind of speech in front of many people. But that confidence I have got by doing Sudarshan Kriya. And apart from that, a lot of my diseases which were there have been cured.
डिप्रेस थी मैं बहुत, बात बात में मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आता था, मेरा तबीयत भी अच्छा नहीं रह सकता। ज़मीन के ऊपर मैं 4 साल से नहीं बैठ सकती थी और आज सुदर्शन क्रिया करने के बाद अभी मुझे इतना फ़र्क पड़ गया है कि अभी मैं इतना चल भी सकती हूँ और नीचे ज़मीन के ऊपर आराम से 2 घंटा एक ही जगह पे बैठ के कुछ भी काम कर सकती हूँ। मुझे बहुत शांति लगती है। पहले नींद भी नहीं आती थी, मतलब बहुत विचार आते रहते थे और अभी वो प्रॉब्लम सब सॉल्व हो गए हैं।
बैंक में शुरू से जॉब कर रही हूँ। अपने बैंक से घर आती थी, अगर 15 मिनट धूप में ज़्यादा निकल गए तो 3 दिन तक माइग्रेन में पड़ी जाती थी। नाउ आफ्टर 10 years आई एम इन मार्केटिंग जॉब। आई हैव टू मूव इन द फील्ड द होल डे। सारा दिन धूप में गाड़ी चलाती हूँ, घूमती हूँ, लोगों से मिलती हूँ और आई जस्ट सिट एंड वंडर कि ये वही धूप है जो मुझे 15 मिनट में बीमार कर देती।
After Sudarshan Kriya, I am really feeling very relaxed. इतने दिनों से आदत नहीं थी इतनी सुबह उठने की and starting I was feeling a little dizzy. But after Sudarshan Kriya, I feel so relaxed. My mind is in a peaceful state and I'm really feeling very energized for the day. So it's a really good practice and all thanks to Art of Living for starting this program and having us attend this session. This is really nice and very helpful. Jai Gurudev.
I learned Sudarshan Kriya 6 years back, and back then I was studying and I was facing a lot of challenges with respect to my studies. I was not able to focus on my studies and I would take a lot of time to grasp things and understand. So, and once I learned Sudarshan Kriya and with a regular practice of few months, I improved dramatically. I was able to focus on my study, my concentration improved. I could study a lot of things within a short span of time. And that has really helped me gain confidence in my career. I used to think whether I'll be even able to complete engineering, and with regular practice of Sudarshan Kriya, I managed to do an executive program from IIM Lucknow also. So that has been a very good journey. And the best part is that I am able to achieve more in a short span of time, and I am able to do things which I always wanted to do. Like I can focus on my work, I can take up projects, I learn swimming, I learn music, and so many.
Doing Sudarshan Kriya, there is a connection in between my mom, dad, and I quit from addiction, all smoking, drinking. Actually, I am a chain smoker and drinker also. After doing Sudarshan Kriya and practicing regularly, I get totally quit from all these addictions. And from last 4 years, I am continuously practicing without missing a single day, and it feels great and fantastic. I feel every day is a new day. My whole day will go very nice if I do Kriya.
In the Kriya, I was 83 kgs and now I am 65. So Sudarshan Kriya has really helped me to shred lots of calories. If someone has not done it, I would really suggest, request, order my friends to do it, because until and unless you do it, you would not be able to find out that how beautiful Sudarshan Kriya is. And it not only help you physically, but also it helps you mentally. Your intellectual level, it increases like anything, and it helps you emotionally. It's the best. It's a blessing on the earth by the divine. I would suggest everyone, if you have not done it, you're missing on something really very beautiful, very special.
पहले मैं गुस्सा बहुत ही ज़्यादा करता था, इतना शॉर्ट टेम्पर था कि शॉप में कभी कोई कस्टमर कुछ बोल दे या कोई बोल दे तो उससे काफ़ी झगड़े हो जाते थे और उसकी वजह से मेरा हाई ब्लड प्रेशर हो गया था, मुझे कोलेस्ट्रॉल था और डिप्रेशन की भी दवाइयाँ काफ़ी खाता था। कोर्स ख़त्म होने के बाद मेरी ब्लड प्रेशर की दवाइयाँ बंद हो चुकी है, क्योंकि जो सुदर्शन क्रिया है वो मैं रेगुलर करता हूँ और मेरा जो शॉर्ट टेम्पर था बिल्कुल ही चला गया है।